Oh gosh.
Do not get it all over me.
Sorry.
Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be like a little pumpkin video vlog thing. So we're going to get some pumpkins now and we're going to be carving them for this video. So I just thought I would film the process, film the outcome and like make it into a little vlog. So stay tuned for that. So we're actually both going to be carving a pumpkin.
Yep.
And your idea is?
I'm going to do a Fall Guys character.
And I'm going to do an Among Us character. I hope this goes well.
Exactly. Two popular gamers at the moment, and yeah, you know, we thought we'd mix up a bit different. Instead of a normal trying to scary thing with teeth, why not make it a bit fun, a bit different?
We made an Among Us cake, which you can see on my TikTok. We made that cake because it's spooky month and
it's Halloween or spooky month.
Here's our pumpkins. We only got baby ones, so we're just going to have to do... Actually...
Yeah, we can fit that on there still.
It's a medium pumpkin, but it's still quite a baby pumpkin. This is my flattest side, so I'm going to draw... Oh, you've got to scoop it out first. Oh, I'm going to draw my little picture on first, and then I'm going to scoop it out. Here he is. This is my little Fall Guys character. Oh, I think I need to make his backpack a bit bigger.
You've got it wrong. It's Among Us. Sorry.
Oh, my Among Us character. I think I need to make his backpack a bit bigger, because look how tiny it is. I feel like that looks better now. It's more in proportion to me. That's what I feel like. Have extended this a bit and I'm going to make it look a bit more. And what are you doing? You're doing a little Fall Guys character, aren't you? That's why I got mixed up. Bloop.
Pumpkins are so hard to carve.
I agree.
I'll tell you.
Mine's ready to scoop out. We are carving. Oh, no, I'm actually not. I'm scooping it out right now. This is probably like my least favourite bit because it literally takes so long. And yeah, it's just effort, isn't it? I wish, you know what they should do? You know what they should invent in shops? They should invent empty pumpkins.
Yeah, I think the worst part...
That would be a good shout.
The worst part about carving the pumpkin is this bit. Oh, the smell as well. I don't even like pumpkin. Like, do you like eating pumpkin?
Well, I tried to go and get a pumpkin spice latte from Greg's earlier, but they didn't have any.
Oh, gosh.
Do not get it all over me.
Sorry, I didn't need to.
I swear I've been like stabbed by a pumpkin because my hand really hurts.
You've been stabbed by a pumpkin?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, this is so hard to get out. You've got to like proper scoop it. Look how clean and empty my pumpkin is. I'm ready to start carving it. Unfortunately, Jake is not going so well. Look at all them seeds in there. You need to scoop that out, my friend. I feel like I need to go around all the lines, but make the lines thicker. But then I feel like I'm going to accidentally lose some of it. Okay, right, so. I've worked it out, everybody. Wait, have I? No, I have, yeah. I've worked it out. I know what I'm doing. I know how I'm carving this bad boy out now. I was so confused for a minute. I was like, how am I going to carve this out?
I'm going to have to carve it like that, sort of.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to carve through it, basically.
No. Right, I'm actually nearly got this first bit out now, but I'm scared that it's not going to look right. Because it's so hard to carve a pumpkin, I'm not going to lie. That's what it looks like. And right, so I've done his backpack now. And I don't want to leave that, I want to carve around this. But look at that. Look at that. How cute. This bit... this bit broke a little bit. But you know what, we can't even tell from afar. I'm getting a tea light in this bad boy. I'm actually surprised that it worked, to be fair, because I was getting a bit stressed and I was just like, how do you even make this work? But I made it work. Here it is with the tea light in. I'm pretty proud of that. Don't you think it looks good?
Yeah, it does.
Concentration face.
Exactly. Concentration.
It looks so good. I'm so proud of it. Let me give you a proper close up. There we go. Let me take it into the dark room and I'll show you. Here we go. Here's what it looks like. I really thought it wasn't going to work, but I'm pretty happy that it did work. Now we're just waiting on yours. And then look at this table. Look at this table. This is Jake's little Fall Guy one.
You can sort of tell, can't you?
Yeah, it looks really cute. And that's my Among Us one. So I hope that you enjoyed that little spooky vlog. No, I'm joking, it wasn't spooky. But that little pumpkin carving video. I had a lot of fun. If you have any other video requests that you want to see from me, leave them in the comments. And I will see you in my next video.